how to set daily time limit on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, in the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to the Preferences tab and you will see the option for Time Management. Tap on the time management option and now you will see the option for daily limit. Tap on that and then go ahead and choose your preferred option for the daily limit. For instance, I will tap on the 2 hours option. Now, tap on the save option and with this will notify you as soon as you reach the daily limit and block the app. So, this is how you can set daily limit on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.